Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a rainbow lollipop. So here you can see that I'm using my compass with a pencil in it. At the beginning, you have to draw a tiny circle. Now I'm using my yellow pen. I'm using my orange pen. I'm using my red pen. I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my purple pen. I'm using my cyan pen. I'm using my green pen. And this is how you can draw a beautiful rainbow lollipop. And I'm using my pencil to create a nice gray color. Now let's draw the handle of the lollipop. To do that, I'm using my ruler and my brown pen. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.